Hello, welcome back to our episode of competence learning. Today we have two students here, Amanda and Ibra. They are going to show us the parts of a microscope and its functions. Are you ready?
Ready.
That's something I believe they have done, and they understand it better. Cindy,
Yes.
are we together?
Yes.
Okay. So you're going to start. Amanda, you can start, and then Ibrahim finish. Imagine
My name is Amanda, and today we'll be seeing parts and functions of a microscope. There are different types of microscopes, and this one is called a light microscope. And there is also a electric microscope. The light microscopes actually uses light to see specimens, and while the electric microscope uses electricity to see specimens. So the first part of the microscope is actually the eyepiece. This is the eyepiece lens. The eyepiece lens is actually connected to the body tube like so. And that is how you get to magnify the
specimen in the stage. And we have a mirror. The mirror is used to reflect light through the condenser to the stage.
We also have this is the arm. You must also be careful while holding the arm. Make sure that you also hold the base. The base is actually where
It supports the upper part of the microscope. And we also have the condenser. The condenser allow light to pass through to the stage.
and there are also these little things, if you have seen, these are actually called clips. The clips hold the glass that you use to view the specimen with, so that it can hold it in place so that you can place the specimen.
And we have the fine and just named knob. It is used to bring the specimen in a fine view.
We also have the revolving nose piece. This piece actually is the revolving nose piece. So the most important function of the revolving nose piece is to move the lenses from one to another. So about the lenses, we have the high lenses that has 45, medium that has 10, and low that has 5. You must also be really careful while moving the lenses, because you may accidentally touch the lens. So that is the whole reason for why it is connected to a revolving nose piece.
And we have the cause adjustment knob. This is used to revolve the body tube up and down for a focus.
So down here we have this little moving piece called the diaphragm. The diaphragm actually controls how the light moves through the condenser. So if you want more light, you just have to adjust a little, and if you want less light, you have to close it.
And we have the body tube. This body tube is used to hold the revolving nose piece and the eyepiece. And we also have the stage. This stage is used to hold the specimen
In the glass.
and glides for viewing.
And that was all the parts and functions of a microscope. In our next lesson, we will be actually performing experiments on the microscopes and seeing specimens close up. That's it for today.